Good morning, students. I am Ajay Kumar Mishra from Arya College of Engineering and Information Technology. This is Radar and TV Engineering subject for EC 8 semester students. Today, I am going to teach you about unit number 4. So, here we are for the next topics of the unit number 4. The topics are AGC and AFC. AGC means automatic gain control and AFC means automatic frequency control, because the gain and the frequency are very important factors in the TV system. So both of them are being controlled, and today the world is very digital and modern, so automatic controlling of these two are very necessary. So we will study about it in this lecture. First one is automatic gain control. AGC is a closed loop feedback regulating circuit in an amplifier or chain of amplifiers. So we will work on that to a single amplifier or multiple amplifiers simultaneously, the purpose of which is to maintain a suitable signal amplitude at its output. So gain represents the amplitude of the signal. So if we will control the gain, then it's obvious that we will control the amplitude and make it so as we desired, despite variation of the signal amplitude at the input. So if the variation is there in the amplitude at the input, but if we will control it gain by the AGC gain, automatic gain control, then the amplitude of the output signal is suitable to us. The average or peak output signal level is used to dynamically adjust the gain of the amplifiers. So we will take the average or peak value of the output signal level to adjust the gain of the amplifiers and enabling the circuit to work satisfactorily with a greater range of input signal levels. So by doing this, it is being able to work for a greater range of input signal levels. How it works, because it's very important to know about it. The signal to be gain controlled, the detector output in a radio, goes to a diode and capacitor, which produce a peak following DC voltage. This is fed to the RF gain blocks to alter their bias, thus altering their gain. So the RF gain blocks will alter means whether they are able to make changes, whether it's positive or negative, whether they will increase or decrease the gain, or this is the way that how they will alter the gain. This is a schematic diagram of AGC. In this diagram we can see that there is a proper arrangement of all the components, including op-amp and resistor and capacitors in this circuit, where the input is coming through the voltage input section, and it is going towards the op-amp and being passed through the resistors and capacitors. It will go towards the diode section and being got at the output as an output signal whose gain is being controlled. So second one is automatic frequency control. In the AFC section, which is also called automatic fine tuning, because when the frequency is controlled, so it is so because we have to tune in between the frequencies, so it is also known as automatic fine tuning. This is a method or circuit to automatically keep a resonant circuit tuned to the frequency of an incoming radio signal. So if both frequencies or the frequency of the signal is being tuned with the circuit, then it is possible to process the signal. It is primarily used in radio receivers to keep the receiver tuned to the frequency of the desired station. Automatic frequency control is needed because after the band pass frequency of a receiver is tuned to the frequency of a transmitter, the two frequencies may drift apart, interrupting the reception. So we can see easily that if the signal is being band passed, then the band pass frequency and the transmitted signal frequency is different, then it will create problems, and they will drift apart, which is not acceptable because it will interrupt the reception. So we will use the AFC to correct it. This is a schematic diagram of AFC unit. In this diagram we can see the FM demodulator is being placed, which is demodulated the frequency modulated signal, and the signal is being demodulated here, which is a frequency modulated signal, and the signal is being goes toward the AF amplifier section, and also it is being filtered, and all the unit is grounded very well. So here by means of demodulation and filtering, we are going to tune or control the frequency automatically. AFC circuit in the receiver develops an error voltage proportional to the degree to which the receiver is mistuned. So we should careful about it. This error voltage is then fed back to the tuning circuit in such a way that the tuning error is reduced. So basically it works on the feedback values, because the error is being feedback, and according to that output is being changed. So we can see here that automatic gain control is all required to control over the amplitude of the output signal, whether the input signal amplitude is very changes rapidly, and the AFC automatic frequency control is required to tune in the signal with the circuitry, because if we are not going to tune it, then it will make problems or create problems. So we will process the signal according to the automatic gain control and automatic frequency control. So it's very important. This is all for today lecture for my side. Till then, thank you for, and we will meet in next lecture. Thank you.